Good morning, class. I am your teacher, Roslyn, and for today's discussion, we will going to take again another English adventure. Who wants to join me? Wow, I'm so glad to hear that. Now, please fasten your seatbelts as we begin to our discussion. We will going to explore the four important type of sentence, and these are the declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and the imperative sentence. Are you ready to listen, class? Okay, very good. Our first sentence type, class, is declarative sentence. Everybody say declarative. Wow, amazing! Declarative sentence, class, convey information and it ends with a period. Remember also that declarative sentence is the most common type of sentence in the English language. For example, the sun is shining brightly. As we can see, the sentence conveys information and it ends with a period. Second example, Rhea loves playing volleyball. As we can see again, the sentence tells an information about Rhea, and the sentence also ends with a period. These two example, class, are clearly an example of declarative sentence. Are we clear, class? Very good! Next is the interrogative sentence. Class, say interrogative. Perfect! Interrogative sentence, class, often begin with the words like who, what, why, where, when, and how, and it ends with a question mark. The purpose of the interrogative sentence, or questions in general, is to request information. Let us try to analyze these two examples. First, where is the nearest library? Second, what is your name? As we can see, class, this is an example of interrogative sentence. Why? Because they both asking questions. Remember also, class, that in interrogative sentence, it ends with a question mark and the tone of the voice is very important. Do you understand, class? Wow, I'm so glad to hear that. And the third type of sentence is the you got it right. It is the exclamatory sentence. And it is a sentence containing an exclamation or strong emphasis. And it ends with an exclamation mark. It is also a sentence that forcefully conveys strong feeling or emotion. Let's take a look on these examples. Everybody say congratulations. Wow! Second, you really deserve it. Very good. These examples, class, are exclamatory sentence because they express surprise or high emotion. And we indicate this in writing by an exclamation mark at the end of the sentence. And in speaking by our tone and loudness of voice. And last but not the least is the imperative sentence. It is a sentence that expresses a direct command, request, invitations, warning, or instructions. It is also a sentence that gives a direct command to an implied second person. Here are some examples. Number 1, please wash the dishes. Number 2, give me a pen and pencil. Remember, class, that in an imperative sentence, it is a sentence that gives the reader an instruction, makes a request, or issues a command. Here and now, to check if you really understand our lesson, please try to answer this in 5 minutes. The answers are given at the end of this video for you to check if your answers are correct. Again, I am your teacher, Roslyn, and thank you for listening, class.